Okay, folks, this is copper on a daily chart. What I want to walk through today is a trade setup that I see coming, and how I set it up. I basically look at the daily chart, and I can see that we had these patterns up in here. This was the the Gartlet that we had from the higher high. This is where the market broke down badly for. As you can see, we were expecting that because we had this really tiny ABCD move that didn't go anywhere. I mean, this market just barely rallied to the 786 of the previous high, and then once we broke this 786, this told you that we were heading down sharply. It gave you several chances to get in, but copper trades very nicely. You have to risk about 2 cents, which it's $250. It's $375 a point. So usually you have to risk around $700 with copper. Once in a while you can risk a little less, but usually it's about $700. Okay, now what we'll be watching here, I think it is $250 a penny. Yes, it is. Okay, we're going to go down now to the 30-minute chart to show you the setup that I see happening. Now we know that the $3.40 level is the 50% retracement. So what I'm looking at here is a potential butterfly pattern forming, and it's going to be forming very nicely here up at the 127 level, which will be right at this $3.40 per pound level in the copper. So I'll be looking to sell copper at around the $3.40 per bushel per pound level, with a stop at around $3.42 per pound. So it'll be a $500 risk, and my first profit objective would be a minimum of 382 of this next move coming down. That would be down in here, which would be down around 337. So that would be $750 versus a possible $500 risk. And the second, and this is a major top, we could be looking at something very, very sinister. So that's what we're watching in copper. So as long as I don't have a real wide-ranging bar or a gap up in here, then I'll be ready to sell it. And even if I have a wide-ranging bar, if it goes sideways after these bars, that's an ideal situation also. So that's what we're looking at in copper. Live every day in an attitude of gratitude, and may God bless.